Wow.
Look, it's glitching, see?
What's glitching?
My tablet.
Hi, Sandisiwe, zoom in. Yeah. Ninjani. Linjani kodwa. Wozani. Ngiyathi ngithi sasa. That's better. Right. What's our... Let's add our call number. Ninjani kodwa liyaphila. Sorry, I'm trying to write down a number yokufona. 473023. Putikeri nyabonga. Thank you so much. Pin this comment. Thank you for the stars. Nyabonga. God bless. Hazakataba. I want to know it doesn't take much to make me happy. It's done just a 200 low. Hi, Madam Sips, utini. Right. Linjani. Please, beliyenze lisenza nyo umngam khona lapho lijikelo ngamasters nyana. Yasini. It's quite an interesting topic. Liyakwazi, it's an interesting topic for mina. I'm sure ukuthi valutshwana abangakabile experience with this esikhuluma ngakho namuhla. You know, the way impilo esesiphila lezinsuku. Hey team, noma linjani. Impilo esesiphila lezinsuku, it's not a conventional way of sort of living. Ngenxa yemisebenzi and also because of technology. Sesizithola sesenelisa ukuthi sibe labangane bothando. Ababa sendaweni ezikhatshana lapha thina siyabe sihlala khona, so usungahlangana lo muntu wakho anyway on this earth nowadays. Anyway, finally it's love without borders, love without boundaries. Angithi so lapha sikhuluma ngani ngama relationships that come through ama social media, abantu abahlangana ku socials, abo Facebook kakhulu, abo TikTok, abo Instagram, you name it. Kuye kwaba le, was it a few weeks ago, omunye umne wethu ngaseNtshonalanga, I'm sure we all know of him, uSewitnel, went up, what decided to screenshot inbox yakhe, wathi ra ku social media lapha wathi number ama-girls atshone busy lapha ku-inbox yami kwathini izinto ezinjengezena lezo. So anyone is now accessible anytime, right? So namhla sikhuluma ke ngazo zeneza kulabo abale experience. How has it gone for you? Ungulwana, I mean, I know ukuthi there is people who have met ama other halves abo online, went on to ukuthi they get married, and all is nice and rosy, not a problem whatsoever, you know. There is people abanye who Yesh, yeah, kwabahambela rough. There's people kwabahambela rough sibili okungayenziyo. Since ngifake itopic la, there's some people who came onto my inbox and said, yo, ngona ngixoxele some story of what happened. Siyagoisha phandlela. So let's just share the live. Let's share the live and have other people join before my first caller comes through. She says her story is heartbreaking. As far as she's concerned, it was long-winded and very heartbreaking. So ngiyafisa nje ukuthi asijoyine udadewethu, you know, if possible, ubethe uzafona, because obviously this is sort of a sensitive issue. So umuntu yabe ngafuni ukuthi sorry, Jolosh, kulomntwana texter. Umuntu yabe ngafuni ukuthi kwaziwe, angithi ukuthi this is what they have gone through. So yes, I've heard quite a few stories go inbox la esithi yo sisa mina, this is what transpired for me. I will never. And some are saying, mina I met my current partner online, like Facebook, and this is where we're at. So let's wait a few more minutes, and then we take it from there. Otherwise, for now, linjani, we can singabe sizixoxela nje. Angifuni ukuthi abanye bayikhuthe. Yazi ukuthi kulabantu ababuyayo besithi, yeah, hello, kuthiwa sengikhutheni, because people are calling in. I can't sort of continue nje bebe sebeluza out akade bethe bafuna ukuba khona. Trying to take a few people. Hi Priska, unjani, how are you? I mean, lawe nxa ukuthi uyazazi ukuthi you had a relationship enjalo. Hi Jackie, you've met someone like that, or uke waba sesimene sinjengase, so you're free to share your story with us. I will share the stories that I've heard today. Kunzima batai. Kunzima, I don't want to lie. It's hard out there. Siyagoisha. You know. We are here. Sicela ilink ye dating site safa ibusingi. Ha? Kulobungozi, Jackie. I'm not giving no one no link. No way. Ankali shem, ankali. Ankali shem. Angikali. Yeah. Sitting story. High school ama dating site lama le dating online. Wellington. Hi Wellington, how are you? How are you? How are you? So we're talking about data, you know, finding love across borders. Yabo, Hetoliza chaisa wabakho lathi ufuna ukugopoza. Hayi nansi number phela. Namhla inxa ufuna ukugopoza anonymously yafonela inumber le ngufake live sizwe story sakho discuss nini. You don't have to come here as a guest umakota kubone kathi umakota yabe selazile izwi lakho bantu kumbuhlane umnyenyezela all the time. Hatta sesifuna ukugopoza. Akulabo ngozi kuzo zonke mina sisi mina ngikuyo iLeslie Mpiyacala online finally we met lo muntu wami ngikholisa sani ngikutshela hayi uMadawu Sips ngena phela usithi fahla fahla ngena usithi fahla fahla usifake lathi intshukuntshu usifake intshukuntshu singayesabi lento njengoba usitayela kungozi lathi sithathe njengokuyitsho kwakho ngena usithi fahla fahla wena girl hayi please Madawu ngena please uzokuthi hey umuntu wami ngahlangana just ama basics nje that's what we want to find out like I said to be kulawe ayingiqale labo you know kwabanye abantu it hasn't gone very well eqinisweni abantu abaningi it hasn't gone very well akula muntu ongelasi story sama datings and what not yabo siyakuxoxa zinengi indaba zakhona zinengi out there you know zinengi right so okay my muntus thakula bungosi yes wena hayi lingasiye ngithina siyokufa sifela into esingazazi so share the live we'll give it about 5 more minutes when you join and then I will tell you the first story and tell you where and then we take it from there discuss it. Please feel free to call and we discuss ngayisabeli kachana ungesabeli kachana kunabungobo seshem la lawo jayile ukubanyenyezela namhla ivoice yakho uzibayizwe shem nxa usukuzo sixoxa ukuthi kwasuka ngaphi kwaya ngaphi kwahamba kangakanani Tomjolo ngiyawusabe ngake ngavuka iICU ngamatshe le drama wena period le drama I don't want to lie akavuka iICU ule drama right yo kahle umuzu uphiwa ngamadlozi abanye imizi imile ngama online abanye baskanywa ngama online yini yaluku connecta Madawu uyayihubula as I'm not really anso muntu onathanathi tiyanje but ngilama days ami lapha engiyabe ngifila khona I don't mind ngiyayihubula sibili kodwa angithandi I'm trying to add you Sips ngizama uku-add kuthiwa uku-connecta hayi ngena lapho usitshele inamba cha ubungozi abukho kumele beyazi ukuthi yenziwa njani ungenza i-touches emuvele uzalimala thina singo-misses from online oh yes actually funny enough bese ngikhohliwe hayi please missis ngena phela mina ngilomunye owayesengichithele umuzi sesenzela umathanda ngilama pictures akhe ngifuna ukumposta enqunu so ngicela iadvice ngakamumoshi love is blind how masinya kangaka kathi ngubani othi number kayingena hayi ungakamoshi ngamanudes asikafuni kwabona please ungakamoshi sithandwa wayekuchithela njani umuzi lo wayekhuluma laye waye receptive into the conversation yena amapicture athola wayewathanda laye wayethumela wakhe yini because xa siza expose wonke uma sides angithi phela love is for two life is for two ngokubona kwami ngokutsho kwami manini ngubane ngamfonela ngenumber le someone is saying inumber le ayingena ngubane le number yakhe kule number let me try and find Tamia. I don't know if I do have your number Tamia Tamia I know what you might be watching here. I'm just calling you to trial this number, yeah? Ngoba someone is saying again. Ungafoni kule inamba engenza ngayo i-live ayisozingene vele. Yeah, it's ringing. Why? Okay. Yes. All right. Thank you, darling. Thank you, Tammy. Sorry, ngawu to same 17. The number is working. The number is working. Sips phuma uphinda uphenduke love is blind ngena lawe nxa ufuna ukuthi uzositshele yakho ngena nxa la ufuna ukuthi uzosixoxela olwakho udaba sizwe ukuthi kuhambani uphuma phi kuya ngaphi. All right, Tammy. Thanks. Usisi lapho besithi iphone number le ayingeni, so I was just trying it out. I was just trying out to see ukuthi iyasebenza yini. Hayi no. I hope you can hear me now. No. It says kade ngawukudingi. Bengifuna ukutry out ukuthi is the number working in. Utha ithi ngilalele maybe lami ngingadobha oluzulayo luyadobha. Asizange yenza ama dating. Anyway, let me xoxela you a story esifane. This is not from Nancy number is pinned lapha ku comment section ngiphinile +447394473023. Nancy number is pinned ku comment section la. Right. So thini ngeke ngixoxele. Phela hey kuhamba ikufunda ikubona ngifuna ukuyiqambela manje. Siswan sithando sami engisithanda ngenhliziyo yami. Ngicela phela ungene. When I remember ukuthi you've been with your person for so long now, you know, and until Richard last year, I remember very well till Richard last year. If you can share your story, I do, if you don't mind. Yeah. Anyway, ningeke ndixoxele yake yazake zadla ubhedu ngama online dating now. Back in the days sisangama singletons. Ngahleki phela ukuthi ngase ngiskemiwe la. Back in the days sisangama singletons. Ugela bejoyina this dating site. A friend of mine actually told me about it. Sisa. Nifake phela la masters ayikhona lawo wafakile. Anyway, ugela thini? Sisa join dating site, it's easy, it's simple. Anti besishikisha sisebenza ama shift mama 9 to 9, 8 to 8, 7 to 7 plus night shifts. Shama back to back. Shama back to back vele ungadla. Ay vele njani number yona iphiniwe. Hold on, let me check it. Let me post it again. +4473 944 73 023. Nanso angazi kumbe ngilokhuze futhi ngiphine futhi. I've pinned it again. Angazi, is it pinned now? Please let me know. Please let me know. Nxa isiphinakele. Nxa isiphinakele inumber. Thank you, Pembofu. Thank you. Is it sharp? All right. Anyone can call now. Anyway, ngixoxela indaba engayibuzanga. Shama back to back phela laphana siyangena siyaphuma umjolodolo lo. Uyambona ngapha umuntu eshifting. Never. Mina vele never. Ema-care home I was not going to date anyone at-care home. Ugeli atshelwe ngomunye umngane wakhe ukuthi hayi joyina lokho akulabungozi, join i-dating site. Join any dating site. Ngalitshela lebizo layo ukuthi kwakuthiwa kuyini date. I don't know if it still exists. I'm sure maybe umuntu kamela gijima ukuthi profile yakhe lokho khona. Ngaphuma namhlanje ICU njengo period. Hi guys, lokho kulobungozi. Same angifuni ukuqamba amanga. It was weird. Ngesikhathi sangongo kubuhlungu, but now I look back at it and think yazi ukuthi life can be so difficult. Anyway, ngijoin i-dating site le ngaya ibizo la ngilifihle kuthiwa plenty of fish for the angazi kumbe based e-UK kumbe based I don't know. Isabel Smalley, it was pinned to Susil. How? Ansakwazi ke. So anyway, wait, ingaphi? Hey, Tammy, if anyone can, look at me on my side, it's still pinned in number. Right, anyway. Anyway, balitshela indaba plenty of fish. Anyway, join this site leyana nje. Akukudala, I tell you, more than 2000 man. 8, maybe 9, thereabouts. Anyway, what 2008, 2009 khona ngisakhumbule which year it was. Anyway, enjoying i-dating site. Fake my best pictures ku-profile lapha ngiziteme ku-profile yami lapha ngiziteme. Ngithi mina girl of integrity, a Christian, lokhu lalokhu. Yayibuza vele izinto eziningi like body size, background, kind of, you had to pay to be part of it. That's the thing that I remember. We subscription inyana. We subscription. Thank you, Christabel. Kwakuyi-subscription inyana. I think kwakubhadala nxa ungena. Must have been nxa ujoyina initially you had to pay a fee, then it would be free afterwards. I think babezama ukuthi labana abangekho serious bangaphonga ungena ngena. Anyway, sisukile. Hayibo. Isiye ngaphi number mina I don't understand. Mina on my side it's pinned. Sibs. Hayi wazala wena ke.
Sanibonani.
Yebo uthini Stan?
I'm a well-known person. I'm sure bethuka abantu nxa bengibona la ngendlela engiyaziwa ngakhona mina.
Ungisaziwayo.
Hayi mina ngiyaziwa sisi.
Hayi saziwayo siyabonga sho ukuthi Grace ngepresence yakho siyakubonga Themba.
Ningabi le ndaba namhlanje ngubeni. Okay, ithi ngitshele ke sami istora ngifuna ukuthi ngihlale isikhathi kakhulu. Sanchaya isimo. Sema singitshayela isimo wabuye eminye umngane kasisi wami wathi okay ngabotshwa 2018 ngabotshwa mina ngoba ngangigange eSouth Africa. Ngathi ngisephumisa sithi wathi sisi akula ngenye indlela nje isimo sesikuchayile so kulento esengina sengivula istudio. Estudio sami baza kufundisa abanye ukuthi kuyenziwa njani. Are you ready for it? Ngathi ngiready mina zongizakhonta ibhadala school fees somntanami. Ngayangena estudio mina. Ngaba kwazi ukuthi ngashona ngihlele ekamereni ngingaqokanga ngathi Badu bonke nabambazi kahle mina strip chat osnap awule strip chat Badu I'm live labo chatterbait ngangihlala ngikhona lapho.
Okay.
Yes mina ngasebenza online. Baningi abangakwazi bazayethuka namhlanje. Ngiyabasasa bavuka bekhuluma ngamafuna ukukhuluma anginandaba. The reason why I'm here ne empilweni siswami impilo ungayithathi lula. Ngike ngaphile emzansi hayi ngiyonje ukuthi ngiyike ngiyazakala ngike ngayikholisa impilo ithe mayinjaya bona abade ngikholisa labo abayibe bebhoda ngale behleke ukuthi hayi emshayeli life ngatshelwa ngibaba wami wathi ungabe le ndaba mntanami yasiko kuphela kwempilo no wayengakwazi ukuthi ngenzani naqala ngithaphile kubotshwa kwamanje ngithe maphume kubotshweni bangi-introduce ke entweni ye-online ngangena entweni ye-online ngayisebenza 2020 2021 bengi-online ngathola ukhulu wami ekhiwa online wayengitshela uma ezangena ethini nxa u-off ungitshela ngimtshela ngithi hayi mhla ngi-off uma sifuna ukungena ethi lamhlanje ngifuna ukungena ukhona ngithi hayi ngikhona yebo athela sithi sizixoxele ngoba bakhulile asomfana omncane umbritish afike ngena sihlale sizixoxele hayi sebasiqeda uxoxa-ke sezenzela into zakhe angifakele imali engiyifunayo aphuma zihambile into le online
imagine okuyinto bakhona ingqondo yami vele break.
Hayi sisobe baphila abantu eSouth Africa ngento ye-online. Umsebenzi seyokhona nokuthi kumbe ukuthi. All right. Hayi umngane wami wathi mngane mina wena vele ngihlangana nawe yathi nonke ufuna uhlele emazweni ngicela ukuncedisa uhambe emazweni. That was 2021. 2021 mhla ka-31 December ngangisendizeni mina ngibuye e-Ireland. Ithiwa zange ngalitshela ukuthi sengibuye e-Ireland. Kwenye day ngithe manje lazi ngabe ngimkhumbula ngathi ike ngimtshela ukuthi ngise-Ireland wathi can you believe ukuthi ngiyadrayiva ngise-Ireland after 10 years ungangeni e-Ireland share i-address ngabe ngiyishare i-address wabuyazi wampick up ukhulekile hamba nge-camp van for 2 weeks kangu-holiday engiyenzela i-shopping engiyenzela silisa ngithole i-iPhone 15 Pro Max esandleni sami nenxa yekhiwo angishodi ngalutho isicathulo bangakubona sabhokisi ezicathulo zami endilawo angishodi ngalutho mina nxa ngathi kuphela manje balapha ngithi izolo kade ngimboza i-cancel ngathi cancel ngiyalifuna i-transfer imali ngilithengile abanye abantu bakhona
like are you together as in you married partner hlala
no
lonke or
we're not married ubritish use-UK mina nase-Ireland ngomnyaka ubuya ka-4 uyabuya ezombona ka-4 uyabuya
La uyabuye UK uzombona.
No, angakhona ukuya UK mina ngithi mina ngiyasitha ngapha ngabi lamaphepha. Uyabuya yena wathi kimi ungajahi ubuye UK ngeke uthola amaphepha uzavuya. Bengilaye 2 weeks back bekhona la. NgoJune ngebirthday yami wangithengela iPhone 15. Ngifika lapho wangithengela iPhone 13. Wathi kimi tshintsha ifoni ngayitshintsha. Ngokuthi ukuthi ngazi ngithi ngifuna ini uyayifaka imali. Lokho bakhona abaphilisana nzima bakhona abakwazi noma balana ngenza yabona ngabe ethiwa ngumfana omncane lamanje wathi kimi singajahi ukuthi ungishade ngoba mina ngiyafuna ukushada lo lobole bazalini bakho ngiyafuna but cala uthatha isikhathi sakho ucabange kahle mina safuna ukuzala futhi lo mntwana wami empilweni yami ngoba for 2 years ngilaye ngangaprevent ngangathini ayakwehlule ukuthi ngisibambisise wathi maybe imenude akalimala ngoba le-asthma inye serious ukuthi wathi some ama-drugs are strong for i-asthma yakhe lingezwa abakhona abanye abantu abaphilisana buhlungu into abo-online le iyaphilisana mina ngiyephi lapho engikhona apho ngiqamba amanga
wena ikusebenzele wena ke
hayi mina ngiyasebenza lapho ngiqamba amanga ngiyephi
hayi lingamangali kuma I've never really spoken to someone oyenza I mean anti siyangena online kwesisikhathi uhlangane lama-videos labosisi ababenqune I have never met someone who's done it
mina ngayiyenza baze batshela umntanami bathi mama kwathi izinto zetshona enquma ekhamereni kwathi nithi wayengitshela umntanami engixoxela khona lokho but azange ngaba nendaba
that I know one girl and bake bam-screenshota at some point bamflasha all over Bulawayo umntwana wako Bulawayo osegoli and it was really sad for her you know ekhala depressed ethi abantu bahambisa amapikitsha kumamakhe
manje mina umuntu wangena wambuza wathi kimi uyihlolo nomvelo uyihlolo nyoko bayakwazi ukuthi uyenza so ngathi khona angangamphenduli ngabe ngisatshela umuntu engamtshelayo ne I had to discover ukuthi umuntu engimtshela nje umuntu orong elifini akulasihlobo ithi into bakutshela yona akanandaba namhlanje nxa abantu ngathi ngikhuluma kabi yabona isihlobo uyabugidela sukholisa kumnandi impilo uhambela mnandi isosithile sasuke sithi khona low ngabe kuba so ngaye ngatshelwa ngami ubaba ngomlomo wathi mntanami ubuze uhlungu ukuthi senza kutshela ungalokho na before sengena i-online ngaqala ngavuka e-ICU ngenxa ye-boyfriend 3 weeks lelo ku-ICU ngenxa ye-boyfriend ndayingisupport e-South Africa na inkosi ithi I'm well known in South Africa when you vele la ayichibilikisa mina bangazi kahle laba
bakwazi kahle
bakazi kahle nxa futhi unovelo wathi unovelo kafanele ngazi kana kunovelo kafanele mina bangazi kahle yuvele
so just a question angithi kathi bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi question yami isibaleke oh no bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi so while you were doing this work anytime kwake kwangena umuntu omaziyo
abanye abantu bangena bezifihle
so nabe ningabonani so lami ngiyakwanisa ukungena umuntu
yes abanye abantu omunye umuntu uyangena angazifihli omunye umuntu angene azifihle
oh all right
phela into abazi bakhona abantu
uDuchess lapho uDuchess kuyothi kuhamba njani I just joined Duchess we're talking about where I know ukuthi wena isindebele sakho siyahlupha so ngizakutshela ngesikhiwa we're talking about dating kuma social media you know ama love without borders dating social media dating my dating sites the positive and negative stories of that and does it actually work does it work that's what we're talking about mina ngeke ngikwanise lokho ngiligwala imagine umuntu epress button ngithi ngiyathi ngibone ntwi ngubaba elayinini
ithi ngutshela siswa bebuka kahluphe nxa isimo ngijola ukuthi I was once a top girl ngiphezulu impilo imnandi impilo yathi mangitshaya ngawa ku0000 ngacabangela umntanami ngathi 9 months abengithwale ngikihlupheke mina ngikhona emhlabeni ngacabangela umntanami azange ngifuna ucabangela omunye umuntu
ukuthi yena acela iwebsite ngabona la sefuna ukuyasebenza
no iwebsite yakwazi ukuthi njani ama-website amanye afuna like ube le try yini kanje I forgotten the name of it ngoba afuna ukuregister like apply ngase ngilaye lokhu ze nakhona umngane wami wabesale kahle isikhathi try yini kanje ngicabanga ibizo lakhona ngizokubhalela but sengikhohle yabo afuna ukuregister abona ama-studios babelayo ilokhu ze nakhona ngoba imali umele ingene
so someone opens a studio lina liyosebenza le studio sakhe rather than ukuthi okay yeah okay right I get you so when ukhanya well as things stand right now ikusebenzela into ye online sesiyamelela ukuyathungisa phela ungasithiyi nxa sokuthungiswa wena ke.
Isebenzele manje abantu babhilivela ukuthi mina ngalethwa ilikhiwe over senilethwa ngazibuyela mina. Wethuka sengimtshela yithi ngise Island wathi Nombela after ungitshela ukuthi impilo inzima for wena suse Island ngathi yes. Kade ngimtshela uze Island wadle mphika apha for 2 weeks kandihleli ngangakwazi ukuthi kule moto kuthiwa i-camp then mina ele fridge ele mbhede lento yonke aqala ukuyibona kubaba la. Mina I've seen it all sisifanda amahloni namanje ukuthi na I'm well known mangiphuma khona lapha ngiyakwazi ama-inbox lama-message e-WhatsApp asazongena.
Yeah. Hayi yankiririza shem, hayi yankiririza shem. Nxa uqeda lapha abalele fona ukuthi and then let's siyizwa yabo. But I think amagama ama-website please. Uthe uzasithegela ama-website when she thinks of them.
Amagama ngiyawazi but ngisanga ucabanga ilokhuzeni iyi-company into yakhona eyomele ube layo elokhuzayo eholisayo ukuthi kuthiwa yini. Ngizozama ukuthi kudata sayilayo ilokhuzeni akhona ilokhuzeni yakho ngoba kumele uyi-register ilokhuzeni yakho. Ungayirejista bayakupha ikhadi lapho nxa wena ungena online imali yakho yabe ingena ekhadini lakhona.
Ekhadini leliyana. Okay, all right. So abantu bekubhadala per minute, per hour, per session.
Umuntu nje mangena ku-live yakho imali yangena.
It's not OnlyFans, Duchess. I don't think it's OnlyFans because OnlyFans wayengakabi khona that. Is it? Was it?
Also OnlyFans. Mina ngayazi I'm live. Tata bet.
Yeah. It wouldn't from the dates wakhuluma OnlyFans wasn't that known then.
That's why ngicabanga ibizo lakhona lento leyo kumele ube layo. Ngase ngilayo mnumzana wami kuphela nje ukuthi walahle ikhadi lakhona so vele kumele vele uregister ukuthi kona imali yakho ibingena kuwe.
Okay. All right. Hayi siyabonga.
Ngiyabonga.
It's quite interesting to talk to someone who obviously abantu bacabanga ukuthi website lawa they alobungozi phakathi, so sometimes it's nice to hear from someone who's been there and telling their own story.
Banenge osisi abaphila eSouth Africa abalezimota abalani ngenxa yento e-online aso PayPal. Ngizocabanga guys ngizolitshela kahle ithi ngiphani nje mangiphuma lapha ithi ngene kumalokhuzeni ama wayethinki ngiselayo kumalokhuzeni nami ngizolitshela manje ukuthi kuthiwa yini lapho uregister khona but ukuthi uyivule kunzima.
Okay.
Udinga umuntu okwazi kahle ukuthi ayenza so PayPal ngizongena ngizama ukuyicabanga kahle then ngizokubhala uma ngayicabanga.
Hayi no problem sisakhe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right. Guys in Lizizwele, if anyone wants to call and talk about just feel free. And I'll continue with my one in the meantime. JJ, if you're still watching, can you tell ukola wethu Lwana ukuthi angifonele? I think akaga phone. Anyway, right, bengisalicoca here as saying this too. I've never spoken to anyone who's done the online stripping forums. You know, I've seen them. You know, we have to get something will pop it up. So I know they're there, and of late there's quite a lot of Abosisi say Africa that are in these websites. So I've seen them. Anyway, some I'm gonna go and put it inside here. Can I know plenty of fish? Ezimnandi unjani ngiyaphila ngingene laphana ngifake mdala my best picture yey wena kube kuhle kube mnandi instantly then uyaconnecta kitim inbox full ngama potential hayi nxa usamutsha phela uyabusale veve uphendula wonke umuntu awukwazi ukuthi bangaphi kachata yi back and forth yachata hey I golden heart thank you. You're chatting online with every potential that sends you a message. You're chatting. Normally, I think there was a poke button. So every guy, maybe poke, maybe swipe, I don't know. But every guy that liked you would poke you or send you some automatic message. And then you responded to them. And then you started chatting and you went on. Then I got a match. Hey, Hey, I got a match. As okay, that's Belana so 609. All my likes he liked. All my stories he had the same stories. All my this he had it. Yes, we were gelling big time on that website. Gelling my messages, gelling, yeah, message back and forth. Move from messages to move from messages to my emails. We start emailing. Oh, I'm a type so every day. From emails in the phone, start texting more than anything else. We text and no phone calls. So on the site there was a thing. Anyway, on the site there was a thing where you could call each other through the website. So sometimes we'd call on there, and sometimes we'd call on there. Oh, guy has an American accent, but he has an American. He has an American accent. Serious, Mina, it's American accents. I love the American accent. I do. Spanish ukuxoxa vele ahlangijame ngevoice yangijikelele ugeni vele ahlacabanga ukuqalisha ukutshela abadala ukuthi ngohlani libe lidinga uTaylor ya lihle libe liqalisha kube lidinga uTaylor ngoba you know we continue izinto continue we talking